This is a video tutorial for creating session rules. Basically what the system will check against when you're creating sessions for your staff and your clients. So obviously log in with your administration credentials. You'll select your facility over here from the drop-down list. If you're most often you'll just have one facility unless you have locations in multiple states. If that's the case, just select the correct location you need to create the session rules for. Then click on the Create Session Rules tab, and you'll see here we have 13 different session rules that the system will run against. If you select the checkbox in this first column called Run Rule, it's what we call a soft rule. It will give you an alert or an issues button in case there are any issues with that session you're creating. So for instance, if the therapist happens to be on leave that day or on vacation and you schedule the session, it will still allow you to schedule the session, but it will give you an issue tab. You'll click on it and it'll let you know what the issue is, whether the therapist is on leave, the therapist would be double booked, so on, based on all of these 13 rules within the system. If you want to prevent the session from being created, you will just have to check this second box in the second column, and that prevents the session from being created. So that creates what we call a hard rule in the system by being checked off twice. So you can prevent those, just check them twice, and then when you're done, go ahead and click Save. That's how you set up your create session rules within the system.